Good morning. I am Subhash Chandra, assistant teacher of Ramnagar High School, Niyamatpur, Nogan. On behalf of the online class of Ramnagar High School, you are all welcome. Dear student, how are you? I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty. I am also fine till now. Dear student, today I'll discuss about sentences, which is the one part of transformation of sentence according to the syllabus of class 9. Dear student, it is well known to us that according to the meaning, there are 5 kinds of sentences, such as assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and optative sentence. Last one is exclamatory sentence. So, dear student, today I'll discuss about structural sentence. According to the structure, there are 3 kinds of sentence, such as simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. Look at the blackboard. First one is simple sentence. Simple sentence. What is simple sentence? We will have to know the special characteristic of simple sentence so that we can identify it. A sentence which contains a subject and a finite verb is called a simple sentence. In another way, a sentence which contains a principal clause and one or more phrases is called a simple sentence. As for example, going to market, he bought a novel of Nozrul. Here, he is a subject and bought is a verb. One subject and one verb. So, it is a simple sentence. In another way, going to market is a phrase and he bought a novel of Nozrul is a principal or independent clause. So, it is a simple sentence. Another example, eat to live. We eat to live. We is a subject and it is a verb. To live, infinitive, Here, one subject and one verb. So, it is a simple sentence. Another example. By working hard, you can succeed in life. By working hard is a phrase. You can succeed in life is a principal clause. So, it is a simple sentence. In another way, one subject and one verb. You succeed. So, it is a simple sentence. Second one is complex sentence. Complex sentence. What is complex sentence? A sentence which contains a principal clause and one or more subordinate clauses is called a complex sentence. As for example, when he finished his work, he took rest. Here, when he finished his work is a subordinate clause or dependent clause, and he took rest is principal clause. So, it is a complex sentence. Another example, I saw a bird which was flying in the sky. I saw a bird is a independent clause or principal clause, and which was flying in the sky is a subordinate clause. One principal clause and one subordinate clause. So, it is a complex sentence. In another example, though he is poor, he is honest. Though he is poor is subclause, and he is honest is principal clause or independent clause. Though he is poor, he is honest is an example of complex sentence. And last one is compound sentence. How can we identify the compound sentence? Compound sentence. What is the compound sentence and what is the special characteristic of a compound sentence? A sentence which contains two or more principal clauses and then these clauses are joined by coordinating conjunction or linking words or connectors such as and, but, or, yet, not only but also, therefore, etc. is called a compound sentence. Look at the blackboard. As for example, read or you will help. Here you will submit, you read, you will submit, omitted, or you will help. Read, you read is a principal clause and you will fail is a P clause, principal clause, or is a connector or coordinate conjunction. So it is the example of a compound sentence. He went to fair and he bought a toy. He went to fair is a independent clause or principal clause, and he bought a toy is another principal clause, and is a connector or coordinating conjunction. So this is the example of a compound sentence. In another example, he is poor but honest. Here he is omitted. This is the special characteristic of a compound sentence. He is poor is a principal clause and he is honest is another principal clause, but is a coordinating conjunction or connector. So this is the example of a compound sentence. By this way, we can identify the sentences. So dear student, next classes I'll discuss about how to transfer from one sentence to another sentence. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you so much.